I always tell patients that I wear a lot of hats. I see everything from newborn babies to children and adults to elderly and as old as they come. I provide female and women's healthcare services as far as the basics go. I'm also board certified in primary care sports medicine, so I do a lot of the non-surgical orthopedics and musculoskeletal care as well. In addition to providing complex care for conditions like diabetes, hypertension, COPD, liver disease, etc. So I feel like I provide a really well-balanced approach to care. And in addition to that, I'm a DO, so I can also do osteopathic manipulative treatments as well too, which just gives me another tool in my tool belt to help patients out. My approach to providing patient care is to make sure that instructions are well understood. If it's a sports medicine issue, I'm usually providing some type of documentation of different exercises. I'm doing the exercises with the patients to make sure that they're comfortable doing them before they leave the office. I always ask if there's any questions before someone leaves as well, so that we make sure that every issue that a patient has is addressed to the best of our abilities. One particular success story that comes to mind to me is a younger gentleman who was in his 30s who came into our office very overweight and had some abnormal labs that showed some elevated liver function and some abnormal cholesterol. We talked about how this could impact him in the future and talked a lot about some of the different lifestyle changes he could make, whether it be diet or exercise or otherwise, and he really took this to heart. The next time I saw him, he came back probably about 6 months later and had lost a significant amount of weight. He had also started running and exercising and was actually preparing for a half marathon coming up. These are things he never would have been able to do before, and he really attributed it to some of the great conversation that we had and some of the advice and recommendations that we had made in our office. So that was a really proud moment for me to see some of the advice that I had been giving make a serious impact on someone's life that way. Dr. Alina McDermed, Family Practice and Primary Care Sports Medicine, here at the Spectrum Health Medical Group, Integrated Care Campus, North Muskegon.